Good morning.
Good morning, Melica Allen.
As you can meticulously scrutinize, I'm on the balcony.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
Come say good morning, Taryn.
Good morning. We're going back to the river
You done your girl make a Skylife in the building.
Like what day when the river come down.
Tell him that yesterday was your birthday.
Yes, yesterday. I see it. I can do.
And I'm gonna insert his birthday clip when he was dancing right here.
Grano. Hey. Give me something new, Tyree. Alright.
I don't know you're gonna make a Skylife in the building. So we just woke up, look on my head, and I hear the river. Cause when I come on my back veranda, I live close to the river. So when I come on the back veranda, I say, wait, a river that? River come down. So we're gonna look and see what's happening there. I'm so excited. I don't know if you can go in there or anything like that. That way, try not go close. Wait for me. Come in the able. I forgot to chuck off in the water. I can't swim. I joke, I can't swim. Before I check off in the water. Darian, you the peep in a call, man. What happened to you? You know done peepee first. Get a well of yourself, be. I'm say button up your pants. I'm so excited to see the river. Oh my god. Darian, no, don't go down there. Because see there, the water not clear. It's not cleared. Now go down there, Mr. Boy. You're not deep. What if force? Now go down there, so stay up here, so stay up here. No foot going in the water. Not able. Okay, look like you go come back down again. No. Not able. You can't see where well I up there, so you know. I draw. So guys, let me go tell them say, Lord, I don't know, I don't remember stuff. This is me in my natural state. I love living by the countryside, by a river and stuff like that because the air is so clean. The quality of the air, I tell you, remarkable. Anyways, come do one TikTok to me. I said wait until I go down there and then you see if you can come. You're not able. Let me help you down. Tywin, let me help you down. You drop and bust your forehead there. You're not listening now? Don't go down there, too force. Go so. Go on. Watch out.
The body guy is here.
So you can actually see that the river was up to that height. You gone way down now. Way down. What? Yes, the body is washing? So Can I wait one slippers? Boy? Don't play. Ready?
Ready, come. Two.
Bossa dance, Taiwan, bossa dance. No girl dance. You said there. Yo, there. Throw that for you, fling. There. What's it there? Bossa wine, Taiwan, bossa wine, Taiwan, bossa wine. Whoa, bossa wine, lad, bossa wine, that. Turn on the camera now, youth. Come over this side, over that side there first. No, I'm ready.
I am in the river. I am catching the dance. So I am catching the river. I am catching the dance. So
Coffee! One phone good!
yeah, me want it.
One phone good!
I love run, Melica. Run.
First have to just run down Taiwan slippers. And me never catch you. Somebody else on the land there. So, Taiwan slippers, catch it. What to take away picnic slippers? Gosh. Tired. So, I can't go up and now go look for breakfast. And thing. Wash down clothes. Since I had the baby.
Yes, you my pants look, guys.
Sure, what am I about to wait off? Every day or every other day I have to wash. Seeing that the rain fell last night, I have to wash today. The clothes are me mildew. Can I treat this? So yeah, that me gonna do now.
Alright, let me show you how to do this dance. Pay attention. Jump, then you gonna bend. Hey, clap. Dee, with the left leg, and then you boom. Ding, solo low. Hit her with a low. Then you're gonna network.